Hello guys, so we will start with list. List is a third built-in type and very important. So what is list? List is most flexible ordered collection object type. First of all, we will create a file, then let's see in detail. List test. File got created. So as I told you, so list is most flexible ordered collection object type. It can contain any sort of objects like numbers, strings, even other list also. That is called nested list. So let's see how we can create the list. So let's consider one variable is num. So whenever you are writing list, it will be inside square bracket and you have to write the elements inside square bracket. Suppose 1 and separated by comma, 2 separated by comma 3. So this is one element, this is another one element, and this is third one element. So it contains integer value. If I will create employee name is a variable which contains string values. So string values is like Rahul, James, Zinu, Vipul. So this list contains string type. When I will print any list like employee name and run it, Python run. Okay, so this is your list. List will be inside square bracket. Okay, and we can create merge list also. Merge list means it can contain any type, as I told you. So let's consider one variable merge list equals inside square brackets because it's list, so integer value, and this is a string value, and floating value. It can contain any type or other list also like 3, 4, 0, like that. It should be separated by comma. Okay, so like that we can create a merge list also. So the definition is it can contain any sort of objects like integer, string, even other list also, and it is a ordered collection object. What is the meaning of ordered collection object? It's very simple. I will let you know here. First of all, I will create the list which is having like fruit. I created a list. Variable name is fruits, which is having apple, banana, and orange. So how we can say it is ordered collection? Because we can access any element using index like 0 at one index banana and second index orange, and negative index also work as a string. So it will start from here -1, -2, and -3. So it is a ordered collection of any object type. So let's see how we can access. It's very simple. If you want to access, so first I will create fruits list apple and banana and orange also. Okay, now we will access the element using index. Inside square bracket, give the index value is 1. So at one index is banana, so it will print at the one index is banana, or in negative index -2 is also banana. So I will show you Same thing using negative index. You can access using negative index also. Okay, so now how you can create a blank list. There are two ways to create a blank list. We have one variable blank list equals, if you will call list and you wants to print blank list, then you will see this square bracket but nothing inside it. So this is blank list. This is one way, and the other way is like blank list is our variable. Like that also you can create. So there are two ways you can create your blank list. But lists are mutable. What is the meaning of mutable? As you saw, string is immutable, we can't change, but list we can change. How? So using index. So at index of 2, I don't want orange and I want to add instead of orange mango, and then I will print fruits. Let's see the output. So your output will be mango, apple, banana, mango, not orange. So orange got replaced by mango. So we can replace using index, but in a string we are not able to update it. That's why we can say list is mutable. Mutable means changeable. If you want to check membership, so membership is nothing, it will check is the value is present in list or not. It's very easy. Let's see. So your list is now apple, banana and mango, right? This is your list. So there is one keyword. So first you have to give here value. I want to know the apple is present inside my list or not. So I have created one cart and I want to check is apple available or not. So it will return true because apple is present in your list. If I want to know orange is present in fruits or not, so how we can? So it will return you false because we don't have orange, we replaced by mango. So like that we can check the membership of any value in the list. It's very interesting. Now we will traverse it. Okay, so element by element we will traverse. So using for loop, for you have to consider one variable like fruit, any variable in fruits. So it will iterate one by one element and I will print fruits, not fruits, this fruit. This value we need to print because it will iterate one by one element. So first element like second element till the end. So let's see the output, apple, then banana, then mango. Like that we can traverse our list. So as I told you, len function is also available for a string. So we can use len function also with list. So most of the functions of a string we can use with list. Let's see the len, and we will give the object is our fruits. So let's see the length. So length is 3 because we have 3 elements in the fruit list. Now we will see range, one built-in function also there, range. So what is the meaning of range? If I will print range till 4, what it will do? It will return a list containing an arithmetic progression of integers. So it will create a list from 0 to 3, n minus 1. Whatever value you will give here, so it will give you a 0 to 3, like 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so if you want to traverse our elements in the list using index, how you can? So it's very easy. Just for I is a variable in, I will use range and length both function. Okay, so range will return the list and length. Why we are using length? Because it will give the length of your list so that we can traverse it. Now the I value will be 0, 1, 2, like 0 to 2, because the length is 3. I will print it. I can print now like that. So at index I comma element is fruits, and we can give the index is I, and just run the program. You can see at index 0 element is apple, at index 1 element is banana, at index 2 element is mango. So instead of comma you can use plus symbol also, as I told you, for string manipulation or string addition you can use. So now see the okay, so string int object. Oh, okay, so we need to convert into string. So this is our string, so we need to convert it as a string, or this is the list. Let's see. So at index 0, because 0 was the integer, so we need to convert it string, then we can concatenate or we can add to this string. Okay, that's why I put a string here. So at index 0 element is apple, at index 1 element is banana, at index 2 element is mango. So like that we can traverse using index. If you want to traverse our blank list, so it's not possible, because the length of blank list, let's see the length of blank list first. Print len, we have blank list, so the length of blank list is 0, so we can't traverse it. Now we will see list operations, lots of operations we will perform on list. Thanks for watching.